Welcome to Winnerpak, where we blend tradition with innovation to create exceptional packaging solutions. Today, we're excited to introduce our latest release, the luxurious purple satin jewelry hinge box. This exquisite jewelry box features a body wrapped in rich, purple satin fabric, giving it a luxurious and sophisticated feel. The top of the box is adorned with a sponge-padded exterior, framed with elegant lavender printed fabric. This design showcases a classical and stylish Chinese ink and plain style, perfect for showcasing your finest jewelry. Drawing inspiration from traditional Chinese artistry, the intricate lavender fabric perfectly complements the deep purple satin, presenting a box that is both classical and modern. Designed with fine jewelry in mind, this box is ideal for packaging pearls and gemstone jewelry. Whether you are looking to display a delicate pearl necklace or a stunning gemstone ring, this box provides the perfect presentation. The hinge mechanism ensures easy access and secure closure, while the plush interior provides a safe and elegant resting place for your precious jewelry. Versatility is key. Our purple satin jewelry hinge box is perfect for a variety of jewelry pieces, including necklaces, rings, earrings, and more. Ensure your pieces are presented with the elegance they deserve. Winnerpak is dedicated to providing high-quality, stylish packaging solutions that enhance the beauty of your jewelry. Our new purple satin jewelry hinge box is a testament to our commitment to blending tradition with contemporary design. Discover more about our luxurious packaging solutions and place your order today by visiting giftboxmfg.com. Elevate your jewelry presentation with Winnerpak, where tradition meets elegance.